What does Ceva's vision of Together Beyond Animal Health really mean? It means ensuring sufficient and safe food resource in a world that's not always able to feed its growing population, protecting humans from zoonotic diseases that also affect animal production, and promoting the importance of the relationship between people and animals in our increasingly urbanised society. And Ceva doesn't just talk about this vision, it helps to shape every aspect of our global business in the over 110 countries where we work, covering most species from farm to companion animals. Whether it's the protection of biodiversity or the development of safer and more effective hatchery vaccination in poultry, Ceva's participation as co-founder of the Prize for Animal Agrobiodiversity in France, where it demonstrates our belief that there's a need for all types of agriculture to feed a growing population. Launching a world-leading product to help dairy cows dry off more safely, allowing farmers to improve welfare standards and reduce antibiotic use. Or helping pig farmers to better manage their breeding sows and improve their health through innovative lung scoring programs. That's what we do. When two forms of sleeping sickness threatened the lives of millions of people in Africa, we were there helping local communities, training the vets and treating the animals that harboured the disease. And Ceva is now rolling out 3 new projects together with the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation in Nigeria and Burkina Faso, and also in Bangladesh. And we know that young vets are the future in developing areas of the world. So in countries like Myanmar, we've been training them in techniques that'll help them to feed their own growing food industry. We're also at the forefront of the battle against the growth of avian influenza, a disaster for poultry farmers around the world, and potentially a massive threat to human health. When the disease ravaged the US poultry industry recently, Ceva was honoured to supply the USDA with 50 million doses of vaccine to be stored and used to help protect against any future outbreaks. Add to all that Q fever, brucellosis and salmonella, and we're there too, fighting to make them a thing of the past. When the World Health Organization meets to discuss emerging zoonotic diseases, Ceva is one of the few animal health companies asked to take part. Ownership of companion animals is growing like never before and is set to boom in areas such as Asia, where people increasingly want pets. All over the world, companion animals face the threat of external parasites, and by preventing animals from being bitten and therefore infected, Ceva products such as Vectra help to protect the well-being of pets and their human companions. Ceva is also at the forefront of improving animal health and behaviour by developing natural pheromones. The hugely successful welfare awards that we stage in the UK have grown in popularity over the years. And our partnership with the veterinary associations in America, Australia and Sweden have helped promote the development of cat-friendly practices. And finally, when Australia's koala population was threatened by a sexually transmitted disease, yes, you've guessed it, Ceva stepped in to save the day by reviving an old antibacterial product that chemists in Australia simply couldn't replicate. One of the world's most iconic animals, less endangered thanks to Ceva's intervention. So when we say Together Beyond Animal Health, we not only mean it, but we have the proof to show that it's not only working, but is truly making a difference thanks to Ceva.